أحييكم بتحية الإسلام تحية مباركة من عند الله ألا وهي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سنتعرف نفسنا. اسمي سيدي خديجة بنت حساسة والنور العفيكة بنت الزلكفلي. موضوعنا اليوم وهي التفسير العلمي في سورة البقرة الآية 22.
الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون.
القضايا التي تتحدث عن هذه الآيات ينقسم إلى 4. الأول هو فراش الأرض، والثاني هو بناء السماء، والثالث هو أنزال الماء من السماء، والرابع هو إخراج الثمرات بواسطة الماء. وفي الآيات الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا، مساحة الأرض حالية 510 مليون كيلومتر مربع، 149 مليون كيلومتر مربع يابسة، وفي 361 مليون كيلومتر مربع مسطحات مائية. They appear flat in relation to the human's gaze and sensory potential. أعلى قمة على سطح اليابسة وهي قمة الإيفرست 8848 كيلومتر. أخفض نقطة على سطح اليابسة وهي البحر الميت 400 متر تحت مستوى سطح الأرض. 800 متر تحت مستوى سطح البحر يعتبر جزءا من اليابسة لأنه بحر مغلق. أعماق الأغوار والمحيطات غور ماريانا 11,033 كيلومتر في قاع المحيط الهادي. الفارق بين أعلى نقطة وأخفضها على سطح الكرة الأرضية لا يكاد يتعدى 0.3% من طول نصف قطرها. الفرق بين متوسط ارتفاع اليابسة ومتوسط أعماق البحر ومحيطاته ونسبها ذلك إلى نصف القطر الأرضي كانت نسبة 0.007%، وهذا يمثل قمة التسويات وتمهيد وفرش على سطح الأرض، وبقي من ذلك عمليات التعرية المختلفة.
طيب، اسمي نور العفيكة بنت زكيبلي 1172627. الآن وثانيا والسماء بناء من سورة الأنبياء. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء جيد أفلا يؤمنون. صدق الله العظيم. Have those who disbelieve not considered that the heavens and earth were a joint entity, and we separated them and made every living thing from water? Then will they not believe? Said bin Jubair said, in fact, in the past, the heavens and the earth were united. When the heavens are lifted up and the earth is separated out, then that is the separator of the two mentioned by Allah in Al-Quran. Al-Hasan and Qurada said, back then, the two merged, then separated by this air. Okay. الآن نظرية الانفجار الكبير. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the dominant scientific theory about the origin of the universe. This theory is how astronomers explain the way the universe began. According to the theory, the universe was created sometime in between 10 billion to 20 billion years ago from cosmic expansion. It is the idea that the universe began as just a single point, then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is right now, and it could still be stretching. طيب الآن علاقة بين نظرية الانفجار الكبير والقرآن الكريم. الانفجار العظيم في علم الكون الفيزيائي هو نظرية سائدة لتفسير نشأة الكون. تعمد فكرة نظرية أن الكون كان في الماضي في حالة حارة شديدة الكثافة فتمدد، وأن الكون كان يوما جزءا واحدا عند نشأته. بعض التقديرات الحديثة تقدر حدوث تلك اللحظة قبل 13.8 مليون سنة، والذي يعتبر عمر الكون، وقد سبق أن ذكره في القرآن قبل ذلك رتقا هو بمعنى join، ففتقناهما بمعنى then we part. The finding in the scientific study or experiment proven the truth of the Quran. Everything already explained in the Quran, but the theory or scientific facts prove the truth of the Quran, especially for those who didn't believe in the Holy Quran. طيب الآن طبقات غلاف الجوي. أولاً troposphere، وثانياً stratosphere، وثالثاً mesosphere، ورابعاً thermosphere، وخامساً exosphere. ثم كوكبة which means planets. There is 9 planets in this universe. The first one is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the last one, which means far away from us, is Pluto. طيب, we move to the third one. وأنزل من السماء ماء. في سورة النحل الآية 10. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والذي أنزل من السماء ماء لكم منه شراب ومنهم شجر فيه تسمون. It is he who sends down the water for you from the sky. For from it is drink, and from it is a foliage in which you pasture, which means animal. With this verse, there is no doubt for Muslims to admit that rain is the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Rain is proof of His power to create and preserve all living things on earth. Rain is from precipitation, other forms of which include snow, sleet, hail, and dew. Rain plays a major role in the hydrologic cycle, in which moisture from the oceans evaporates, condenses into clouds, precipitates back to Earth, and eventually returns by the ocean via streams and rivers to repeat the cycle again. Okay, as we can see here, the process of raining. From surface water to evaporation and condensation and to precipitation, which means when the rain is fall from the cloud. Okay, as we can see, there is 7 types of absolute water in this earth. First is rainwater, snow, well water, river water, dew water, springs water, and sea water. So we can take wudu from this water because the water is we call it suci.
الثمرات رزقا لكم فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم and Allah brings forth from the rains various fruits for your sustenance. Just with the rainwater that schools provide can grow various types of plant including fruit. Water is just one kind, but all kinds of plants can grow because it is God's creation. There are over 250 fruits in the world. Our planet is a wide variety of fruits, and despite continents grow many very different unusual fruits. They differ in taste, smell, color, structure, size, and popularity. There are 6 fruits mentioned in Al-Quran. First one is date في سورة المريم, olive في سورة الأنة, grapes في سورة الإسراء, banana في سورة الواقعة, fig في سورة التين, pomegranate في سورة الأنعام. Alright, the first one is dates. Dates are a rich sources of protein, dietary fiber, and rich in vitamin B1, B2, B3, and B5, along with vitamin A1 and C. These are great energy boosters as they contain natural sugar. These are rich in potassiums and low in sodiums. These help regulate a healthy nervous system, and studies have shown that it reduces the risk of stroke and other heart-related diseases. The second one is zaitun or olive. Olive have been mentioned 7 times in Al-Quran. Olive are a great sources of vitamin E, which is a major factor in protecting our skin. Olive are a great protection against anemia as they rich in iron and copper. And the third one is grapes. Grapes are endless in variety, from reds, green, and purple grapes to seedless grapes, grapes jelly, grapes jams, grapes juice, and raisins. Grapes can be used to treat asthma. The hydrating power of grapes is also high, which increase the moisture present in the lung and reduce asthmatic event. 4 is banana. Banana are useful for weight loss as one banana only has approximately 19 calories. It contains a lot of fiber as well and is easy to digest. Okay, 5 is fig. Fig considered aesthetic in some area of the world. Fig are sweet and juicy when ripe. Dried figs are an excellent sources of mineral, vitamin, and antioxidants. There are 5 grams of fiber in every 3 fig servings. The fiber is fig also helps to reduce weight and is often recommended for obese people. 6 is pomegranates. One of the best benefits of pomegranates is that they are juicy. Along with its antibacterial and antiviral properties, helps to reduce the effects of dental plaque and protects against various and diseases. This chart shows that the main fruits in Malaysia. This is the highest area for 10 types of fruits in Malaysia. This is some of the example of the strange fruit in the world. نكتفي بهذا القدر. شكرا على حسن استماعكم وانتباهكم ومشاركتكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.